Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox the earphones that I bought. These are Bluetooth earphones and wireless. These are from boAt. They are called 131 Immortal Beast Mode something. So it has 40 hours of playback, and this was of 3,500 rupees, but I got it on discount, so it was 1,000 rupees after applying cards and coupons and everything. These are earbuds, which I felt like necessary, so they gave extra earbuds in every boat earphones that you buy. This is charging cable. So here's the actual thing, guys. These are like the phone case of the earphone. Oh my god, look how cool it is with all the LED lightings. It makes me feel like I'm some SPD Power Ranger or Pokemon catcher. And these are the earphones with the boat logo on it. It gets connected when you tap on it. Like right now it's not connected, but it gets on Bluetooth mode. So yep. So I find these really cool because see how the lighting makes me feel. I get so excited about it. Yay! So another thing that I find really fascinating are the stickers that boAt every time gives. Every time somebody give me freebies, I really love them. And stickers are my favorite thing. You can tell them by seeing my phone case. These are like thank you card warranty. So yep, bye.